Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this one's really pretty. You have twinkling snowflakes in the window, little tiny Christmas tree, reindeer made out of grass, two reindeer statues, another winking Christmas tree. I like the little tiny tree, and Merry Christmas things in the window, icicles. Reindeer, another reindeer. There's a metal reindeer, like 3 trees in a row. Another reindeer that's blinking, a snowman, and blue, nothing there. And up come here are more decorations. I'm not even sure at this point where I am. I mean, I know I'm on the way home, but that light's trying to outshine my light, and I think it's winning. All right, these are little tiny Christmas trees here going up the steps. And another projection thingy. And just stop for a minute, catch my breath. And candy canes and Christmas trees. And little lights here. They're going up the steps and the wreath. So that's that one. And let's see, do I have enough time? Yeah, okay. Come on. I'm about 5 blocks from home now. I'll just get this real quick. Sorry about the camera going down, but I had to walk. All right, this one. There's a house there, it's lit up. And looking down the street, there is nothing. So that's it for this street, this section of Alhambra Boulevard in the area. And this is George Senda. Have a great night. Stay warm and dry. Enjoy your New Year's. As I push the cart of Fuzzy and little girl slowly toward the house. Ooh, there's a plane way up there. I wonder if this can catch it blinking. I don't know. It's up to the right of that street light. A bug just went up past my... There's a bug enamored of my light. There's a bug. And never got a bug in the light before. What is a new light, too? All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.